Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kraken ancient in Fish. First, you need to obtain a regular Kraken. This creature is a powerful asset, even in its standard form. Next, confirm your player level is at least 25, as this is a crucial prerequisite for the ancient evolution. Finally, navigate to the ancient altar, which is typically found in the central game area. This altar is where the transformation will take place. To evolve your Kraken, you'll need specific materials. You must gather 3 ancient runes, which are dropped by defeating powerful boss creatures in high-level dungeons. Additionally, collect 500 units of Stardust, often rewarded for completing daily challenges and events. Lastly, secure 100 units of Deep Sea Essence, found in the deepest ocean zones. These components are vital for the ancient transformation. Once you have your Kraken and all the necessary materials, return to the ancient altar. Place your Kraken into the altar's designated slot. Then, activate the evolution process by selecting the Transform to Ancient option. The transformation will begin, taking about 30 seconds to finalize. During this brief period, your Kraken will undergo a significant power surge, preparing for its new ancient form. The ancient Kraken offers substantial advantages. Its attack power is boosted by 50%, making it a formidable force in combat. It also gains a powerful new ability called Abyssal Grasp, which inflicts area of effect damage to multiple enemies. Furthermore, your ancient Kraken provides a 20% buff to all other allied creatures, significantly enhancing your team's overall strength. This upgrade is truly game-changing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.